Soccer DBB number 333, and that is 2016 Topps Premier Gold 1-box break. Teams on the right. Good luck. Alright, got two fatties in this one. Come on, there's a nice patch or something. Regular jersey. It is Maya Yoshida for Southampton. Got jersey auto. Well, really? What do you have? Jersey auto. Who's it going to be? 4. Is it red? Could be Liverpool again. No, it's Palace. It is Andros Townsend for Crystal Palace. And that is Devore. Well, you can't expect that much with Poland only, right? Wow. How about Swansea? Nathan Dyer right on top. At least you're getting the hits here, right? Oh, Juve as well in Inter. Alright. Got Mane for Liverpool. Got Romelu Lukaku. Silver Liverpool Divock Origi to 99, 25 of 99. Got Crystal Palace. Got Harry Kane. Oh, we got a red coming. 211. Red 211. Got John Barnes for Liverpool. Silver Liverpool again. Jordan Henderson all over Liverpool. Got West Brom Stadium. Got Middlesbrough. Got Bailey. Alright, on to the red one. Yeah. It is. It is. Alright, who's going to be the red one? Let's start on the right. Number 11. 3 of 11. Midfielder. Good luck. Who's it going to be? Red jersey again, Liverpool. Come on. No, Jason Puncheon for Palace. There you go, Devore. Crystal Palace, number 211. Congrats. Alright, that's it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.